Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com. And this past summer, my mother and I went to Disney World for our birthdays, and we stayed at the Contemporary Resort. So this is going to be a brief review for those of you who are considering staying here too. Recently, the Contemporary got a remodel, and the theme is The Incredibles. Well, in the room, the theme is The Incredibles. I liked it, but I guess that's a little controversial because there are a lot of people that really don't like it. But for somebody who wouldn't consider themselves a Disney adult but also enjoys Disney World, I thought it was a great concept, a great design. This is the closet. There was a steamer. There were extra pillows with the zip tie on it, so you knew if somebody went there. There is the luggage rack. I pulled that out to put my luggage on, and some drawers. There's also this closet here with this large mirror, and we stored like bags and different things in here. And of course, there is a safe. That weird cabinet in the top is where the electrical stuff was hidden. I pulled it down. So there was also a Keurig machine. There was a drawer with coffees to choose from if you didn't feel like going downstairs to get coffee. There's an ice bucket, very nice, the word I would say is sleek. I liked it, very modern. They restock the coffee all the time. And it had a little mini fridge. That fridge was maybe for beverages, but I wouldn't expect to put a whole lot of things in there. This is the bathroom. It had this really nice makeup mirror here that it does light up. They had double sinks, which was great because it was me and my mom, so we were able to kind of portion out our stuff and have our own sink. They did restock the amenities every time they came to clean the room. Because this was kind of at the end of COVID, headed towards post-COVID, they were only coming every other day. I'm not sure if that's changed. I really love this shower. This was worth it to me. I love a good rainfall shower. I love a good handheld shower. I even used the shampoo that they provided because I needed to wash my hair while I was down there, and it was great. The body wash, loved it. The shower, amazing. It also had a seat in it, so if you're like an adult that needed to bathe a child, it definitely had space for that where you would be able to sit down and with your child. This is a toilet. It was in a separate room. It had this cool poster of Jack, and there were additional towels in the area where the toilet was. This is the bed area / living space. Plenty of places to put your stuff down. That brown thing pulled out for additional seating. The TV, I think, was a really good size for the room. I did like that it was backlit. The couch was cool. It's not necessarily the most comfortable couch to sit on, but it did its job, and I thought it went well with the room. Then there was the trash bin, Disney World recycles, so that's great. And then I thought this lamp was so cool. It definitely fit the vibe of the room. And it's one of those lamps that has the 3 settings to it. So I just thought that was like really nice. I thought it was a really well-designed lamp for this room. A lot of places to plug in electronics or anything else that you needed to plug in. The beds definitely had a subtle type of theming to them, which I enjoyed as, once again, an adult who's not a Disney adult but does like Disney World. But I guess some people who are looking for that extravagant theming, this may be a little mellow for them. But if you're like me, this was perfectly fine. I thought it was decorated at the perfect level for me. Once again, I was showing all of the places to plug in stuff. Of course, there's the Bible in the drawer. I thought it was so cute that the drawer had that theming inside of it. These pillows were leather feeling, like some type of leather feeling, so we didn't really use those for sleep. I think that they were more for decor. I love these little lights on the side. When I go on vacation, I tend to bring books with me, so that was great for reading in the evening. Thermostat, standard, modern, liked it. I really love the subtle theming of this room. It just, for me, it worked. I feel like this is a good room for somebody who's like older, or maybe like if your kids are just overstimulated by a bunch of colors. I thought this was a really good choice. We stayed on the side that faced the lake. Every night they would put on a lake show with these like lights, and it was really nice. So because we couldn't necessarily see the fireworks from our room, we still got some type of show. So I thought that was really nice. The garden rooms are over there. That is for people who want to stay at the Contemporary but are maybe on a smaller budget. All in all, I would recommend staying here. It is really expensive. And like while we stayed there, one of the elevators didn't work. So that kind of took away from the trip. But all in all, like I think at least you should stay here once. It's a really nice hotel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.